Hey folks, Mr. Dell here. We are looking at a dilation of a set of coordinates and looking at what we notice. So this is coming from CPM Course 3, and this is section 8.1.2, specifically number 8-23. So it says graph these points on a coordinate grid and connect them to make a triangle. So I'm going to graph A, B, and C, okay, and then connect them. And then we're going to do these steps here below. So first of all, reminder on graphing, right? So you have two axes. This is your x-axis. That's the horizontal axis is x. The vertical axis is y, right? And every point that I have here are always written as an x comma y. So it's your location on the grid where it's an x, y is that one location, creates a point. So for A, my x is 0, my y is 1. So that means here x is 0, right? X is 0, not this is where x is 1, this is where x is negative 1. Right here's x is 0. So then where's the y? The y is 1. That's here. That's this point. So that's my A. So that's at 0, 1. My B is at 3, 2. So again, x is 3, y is 2. So where is that? Well, x here is 1, 2, 3. So the x is 3 and the y is 2. And it's right here is positive 2. So if I connect those to the grid, that's where that meets, right? The grid meets here at 3, 2. X is 3, y is 2. So that point is labeled B. My next point, 2, 4. Again, x is 2, y is 4. So where's that? X is 2, y is 4. So this one is 2. So this is 3, and this is 4, right? So we're counting up 1, 2, 3, 4. So at 2, 4 is where that connects. X is 2, y is 4. So that's that point there, and that would be C. So it wants us to connect those points, right, to create my triangle. So there's my triangle. Connect those points. All right. Now, once I got that, now I go to here. Dilate the shape by multiplying each coordinate by 2. So I'm going to multiply. What does that mean? I'm going to take each coordinate. So I'm going to take each x, multiply by 2, and each y and multiply by 2. That's what this means. 2 times the x and 2 times the y. So my new, and then list the coordinates here. So my new x, if I multiply by 2, so 2 times 0 is 0. I'll do this one in a different color so you see the difference here. This one is 0, and then that 2 times the 1 is 2. So my new A is 0, 2. My new B, and we use this little marking, we call that prime, B prime, A prime, B prime. That's signifying it's been adjusted or uh, applied some kind of transformation. So in this case, my new x, because it's 2 times, right? 2 times the x, 2 times the y. So it becomes 6, 4. 2 times 3, 2 times 2, 6, 4 for my new b. My new c, again, multiply each coordinate, 2 times the x, 2 times the y. So that becomes 4, 8. So I multiplied each coordinate by 2. That's the dilation of 2. That's how you do a dilation. Dilate the shape. It grows the shape based on that operation. So now I'm going to graph those. So 0, 2 is here. That's my new A, right? Where x is 0, y is 2. And then 6, 4, well, x is 6, 4, 5, 6. Y is 4. That would be connected to me right there. That's my new B. That's my B prime. And then C, so we have x is 4 and y is 8. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which is right there. So at 4, 8, up on the 4 on x, 8 on the y, would be right there. So if I go ahead and connect those points, and that was my new C, my C prime. If you notice, what I have here is a triangle that looks like it's been shifted a bit, but really what we've just done is dilated it. Okay, we've we've taken the shape and multiplied each of the coordinates by 2. So what do you notice about the sides of the shape? If you look at the sides of the shape, here's A, B. This is the original shape. Here's A, B prime, right? A prime, B prime. It's twice the length. If I think about C here, that's A to C, and now we have A prime to C prime. It's twice the length. So that's what happens when you dilate by 2. We would say each side of A prime, B prime, C prime is twice the length of ABC, of the triangle ABC. Okay? So each side of that, each length, side length, is twice because we multiplied each of the coordinates by 2. All right? There we go.